Confidence and abundance trance. Effortless becoming meditation. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. Another deep breath and exhale completely. Good. Now just allow your eyes to close, not because you're trying to relax, but because something deeper already knows how. And as you sit there, listening, you may begin to notice something interesting. The part of you that has been trying to become confident has always carried a certain tension, always reaching, always leaning forward, as if confidence existed somewhere else, somewhere ahead of you. But what if that reaching was the only thing that ever made it feel far away? Because beneath all of that effort, there is another part of you, quieter, older, certain. And it doesn't try, it doesn't chase, it doesn't wonder if, it simply is. And you can begin to feel that now, not as an idea, but as a shift, a settling, a remembering. Like something inside you, quietly clicking back into place. Because real confidence was never something you had to build. It's what remains when you stop interfering with it. And abundance isn't something you chase or attract. It's something you allow, the moment you stop holding yourself separate from it. So notice this now, without effort, without forcing anything. There is already a version of you living exactly the life you want, already moving differently, already deciding faster, already expecting things to work out, already expanding naturally. And instead of trying to become that person, just allow that version of you to begin blending into this moment now. Feel the way they breathe, slow, steady, certain. Feel the way they think, clear, direct, uncluttered. Feel the way they move through life, grounded, decisive, relaxed. As if success is inevitable, as if everything is already unfolding exactly as it should. And the more you notice that feeling, the less you need to do anything at all, because something deeper within you is already recognizing who you are, already reorganizing around this new identity. Now here's the shift, and this is important. Anytime you notice the old impulse to try harder, to force, to push, to overthink everything, that becomes your signal. Not to try harder, but to stop. And in that moment, you take one slow breath. And remember, I don't chase, I become. And instantly, your body resets, your mind clears, and that powerful version of you steps forward again. Effort dissolves, certainty remains. And from this place, you begin noticing things, opportunities, people, timing, ideas, synchronicities. And it all starts feeling strangely natural, almost obvious. Because you're no longer out of sync with yourself. You're no longer reaching. You're no longer waiting. You are moving through life as the person it was always meant to happen for. And that becomes natural now, automatic, effortless. So there is nothing to force, nothing to prove, nothing to chase. Only this, being, choosing, allowing. And you may not even realize how quickly this becomes your new normal, until one day you look back and notice you stopped trying and everything started working. Now in a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and as you return, you bring this feeling with you, integrated, grounded, real. 1. Returning gently. 2. Bringing that certainty back with you. 3. Feeling clear, grounded, present. 4. Eyes beginning to feel ready to open. 5. Eyes open, fully awake, fully present, and very different.